Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 4. Weather. 3.
I really want to go to the beach this weekend.
That sounds like fun. What's the weather going to be like?
I heard that it's going to be warm this weekend.
Is it going to be perfect beach weather?
I believe so.
Good. I hope it doesn't cool off this weekend.
I know. I really want to go to the beach.
But you know that California weather is really unpredictable.
You're right. 1 minute it's hot, and then the next minute it's cold.
I really wish the weather would just stay the same.
I do too. That way we can have our activities planned ahead of time.
Yeah, that would make things a lot easier. I would like to take a trip to the beach this weekend.
A trip to the beach would be fun. How is the weather going to be?
The forecast says that it will be warm on the weekend.
So do you think it'll be perfect weather for the beach?
It sounds like it will be.
I really hope it doesn't get cold.
That would ruin things. I want to go so badly.
The weather in California is unpredictable, so you never know.
That is true. The weather is constantly changing.
It would be nice if the weather would never change.
That would be great. Then we could plan things sooner.
True. Predictable weather would make life easier.
It would be nice to go to the beach sometime this weekend.
What's the weather going to be like? I may want to go too.
The weather this weekend is supposed to be warm.
Will it be good beach weather?
I think it will be.
It wouldn't be good if it got cold this weekend.
I want this trip to be perfect. I hope it stays warm.
This California weather is so uncertain, it's impossible to know what will happen.
I know. Every day the weather seems different.
I would love it if it wasn't always so unpredictable.
That would make it easier for us to make plans.
I know. Things are easier when you know what the weather's going to be like.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.